Try this simple lobster with parsley and chilli dressing recipe for a delicious seafood starter or side. It's a family recipe from Nino Paratore, a rock lobster fisherman and Coles supplier. Get started by making the parsley and chilli dressing by placing the oil, vinegar, lemon rind, lemon juice, chopped parsley and chopped red chilli in a bowl. Give it a stir to combine. Next, prep your lobster. Take each whole cooked lobster and turn it over on its back. Start from the tail end. Cut down the centre of each lobster with a large knife to split in half. If the shell's really hard, you can use kitchen scissors. Rinse the lobster pieces under running water and remove the digestive tract, then pat dry with paper towel. Place the lobster on a serving platter and drizzle with the dressing. Serve with oregano, parsley and lemon wedges. This flavoursome dressing is an easy way to take lobster to the next level. Give it a go this entertaining season.